What is up there, everybody? It's Casper Trader back here with another video today, and I'm going to be doing just a daily upload as always. And before we get started, I'd really appreciate if you guys could click that like button and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And for those who don't know what it is that I do, I'm currently growing my portfolio from $200 up to $1 million within the span of 3.5 years. It may sound too good to be true, but if you just count it, then all you need to do is make 5% every week for those 3.5 years, which little gains add up exponentially. So let's get into it, guys. So the first stock that I traded today and made massive profit on, my portfolio up almost 3% today, that's around $6.50, is DWT. DWT went up like crazy because crude oil crashed today. I saw it crash and it filled my joy. It filled my heart with joy. And I ended up selling most of my shares at around $10, which was pretty good compared to the price that I bought them at. I'm pretty sure that I bought them at $9.24, $9.26. So that was a pretty hefty profit right there, around 80 cents per share. And I had like 15 shares. So not all of them I sold at the best price, but most of them were. So the second stock I decided to buy today was UWT. I wanted to buy it right around, I'm pretty sure right before it reversed right here. I was expecting for another bounce down where I would pick up more shares. I was supposed to put in like another $100, and I would have sold it for a quick like 3 to 4% profit. But unfortunately, it didn't bounce back down there. So I ended up dipping my toes in at first at around $12.58, as it says down here. And right now, my goals for this, I'm pretty sure crude oil is going to fall still. So that's why I held that one DWT share, just so I can sell it tomorrow. And I bought my UWTs today, so I didn't want to use up a day trade just to like make 30 cents. So it's not worth it for me. And for those who are interested in talking about stocks and they just love trading stocks, I created a Discord server for everyone who enjoys trading stocks, and it's just a community where everyone can talk and everything. It doesn't have to be on topic, and just for those who are interested, it's going to be linked up in the description. As well as for those who are interested in starting Robinhood, and you can join me on my journey, deposit like $200 or as much as you want, and grow it to $1 million. There's a link below where if you use it to sign up to Robinhood, it's the referral link. So that means you get a free stock and I get a free stock when you sign up. So it profits both of us. We can get a stock that's like even Apple. So it's like $170 for each of us just if you use a link. So that's the benefit of it. If you're interested, I'll put it in the description. If you're not, that's perfectly fine. And what I'm looking to trade tomorrow is just DWT and UWT, because has been going pretty well for me the last week and this week. And depending on where it goes in the morning, I'll decide which direction I'm going to trade in, DWT or UWT. But today was fantastic, and 3% gains in one day may not sound like a lot to most people, but for me it's a pretty good accomplishment. 3% in one day. That's, if you grow that every day of your portfolio, that'd be massive growth. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, again, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could like the video and subscribe. It really helps me out a ton. I love your support, so if you guys have anything to say, please put it in the comment section below, and I'd love to hear what you say. I respond to all the comments. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you have a fantastic day tomorrow. It's Friday.